Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 1998/1999 Tiny the Chihuahua Dog Plush. Without further ado, let's go into the review. There's the tag, pretty cool. There's the back of the tag, pretty cool. There's the front, pretty cool. Here he is, like, look at how nice the tag looks. Looks new. There's the back of the tag. It says, copyright 1999 Thai Ink PE pellets. Pretty cool. Here's the ears. So pointy and stuff. This one actually has the black, rounding around his eyes. That's pretty cool. The plastic nose. There's the mouth. Here he is like this. Pretty cool. Stand him up like this. Pretty cool. And the back. In the back. Pretty cool. Here he's like that in the back. And like this. Pretty cool. And here he is at the front. Yeah, there he is at the front. Pretty cool. And the back again. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 1998/1999 Tiny the Chihuahua Dog Plush. Alright guys, bye.